Salt has been used in every household for a number of years. Aside from being widely known as a food preservative and taste enhancer, salt is an economic commodity and an important raw material used in many industries, including for medical purposes. In general, salt can be divided into three types, depending on resource and process. 1. Sea salt from seawater. 2. Solar salt from the surface of saline soil or from natural brine. 3. Rock salt from the underground mining. Established on March 17, 1988, we, Thai Refined Salt Company Limited, are a joint venture of Thai shareholders, Asahi Glass Company Limited of Japan, and Solvay ASR of Belgium, with Pimai Salt Company Limited being the sole supplier of salt. Our function is the further process of packing and distribution. The process of refined salt making starts with the production of raw brine when pure water is injected to dissolve the salt bedrock at a depth of approximately 200 meters by using advanced technology of sonar survey system to design safety size of salt holes and measure salt pond periodically to ensure that the layer will not subside. The derived raw brine will be kept in large storage tanks by pine line system. And then transferred to reactor tanks to remove impurities and unwanted heavy metals. The purified brine will be heated and passed through a hot evaporator at a temperature of approximately 125 degrees Celsius. Water will be evaporated and the heated brine will be concentrated until it crystallizes as salt granules, flowing downward to the bottom of the evaporator. This mixture of salt granules that contain trapped brine is called salt slurry. The salt slurry will be passed to a centrifuge to remove brine from the salt granules. This purified salt output will have moisture content of less than 2.5% by weight. The other portion of salt granules will be conveyed to a set of dryers. This purified salt derived from the drying process will consist of fine granules with moisture content less than 0.15%. As for table salt, we are the first to iodize it in accordance with the Ministry of Public Health Standard. Our refined salt products are distributed locally and internationally in more than 20 countries throughout Asia and Pacific, including Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Vietnam, Australia, Bangladesh, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Papua New Guinea, and Maldives. According to the purposes of use, our products can be classified into three main categories: industrial refined salt, table salt and cooking salt, pharmaceutical salt. Industrial refined salt will be packed and distributed under the brand name TRS, which is divided into two types: dried refined salt with moisture content less than 0.15% and undried refined salt with moisture content less than 2.5%. High purity and free from contaminants TRS help reducing some steps in brine filtration. And it does not cause pollution and sedimentation problems. More importantly, with its stable price, the cost of raw material can be calculated exactly. These unique product features provide benefit to various industries. For example, in the food industry, clean, free microorganism and contaminant TRS makes food last longer shelf life and look more appetizing. In the dyeing industry, pH-balanced and low-hardness TRS makes cloth easier for dyeing. It brightens the color and stops the stains on cloth. In the feed industry, free-flow and well-dispersed TRS make it easy to mix and does not harm the feed mixing machinery. For resin regenerating, low calcium and magnesium TRS provides higher efficiency of softener system. It does not cause pollution problems and save the cost of residue disposal. TRS is also useful for other industries, such as chemical, polymer, and petroleum drilling industries. Table salt and cooking salt is iodized refined salt that has been evaporated to produce fine, completely dry, and clean granules to prolong its shelf life. It will be packed and distributed under brand name of Pro Tip. Tip salt and TRS. Which have been certified halal and received the Shell Chun Chim sign, as well as complied with the Ministry of Public Health Standard. Furthermore, it is exported to several countries in the Asia-Pacific region under more than 10 other brand names. Pharmaceutical salt has high purity. It's used to produce cosmetics and medicines, as well as dialysis solution. For the hygienic reason, this entire production process is operated under the closed system. For special control on cleanness, automatic packing machine is installed in the clean room and used only for pharmaceutical salt products. Moreover, high suction magnetic plate is installed to ensure top quality. All finished products that passed quality test will be stored in the warehouse under the inventory management of first in, first out system before the delivery takes place. Additionally, we determined to conduct research and product development to respond to the customer's needs and add value in different aspects of uses. For instance, salt with additives, such as salt with calcium, salt with fluoride for the feed industries, salt tablet for water regenerating and dishwasher, scrub and spa salt, as well as food additives used for cooking, for example, meat tenderizer, etc. We attained ISO 9001 version 2000 and Good Manufacturing Practice certification, as well as White Factory Award from the Department of Labor Protection and Welfare. As we are very much concerned about environment, each stage in the production process is strictly controlled, without discharging any pollutants at all to deteriorate the environment. We also participate in many useful communities activities to promote valued local traditions and cultures and aid in education and sport to local schools, etc. We, Thai Refined Salt Company Limited, are proud to be the part of Thai economic and social growth, and we strive to create and develop the standard of our factory and company to a continuous advancement.